Dear students, in continuation to class 2.1, today we are in class 2.2, which deals with degrees of correlation. Students, if two variables are correlated, one may be interested to know the degree or extent of relationship exists between the variables. Correlation between variables exists in various degrees. The degrees of correlation may be perfect degree of correlation or perfect correlation, limited degree of correlation or limited correlation, and zero degree of correlation or zero correlation. Let us examine these degrees of correlation one by one in detail. The first is perfect correlation. What is perfect correlation? If a change in the value of one variable leads to a same proportion of change in the other related variable, the degree of relationship between the variables is termed as perfect. The change in the variables may be in the same direction or in the opposite direction. Based on the direction of change, perfect correlation may be of two forms. They are perfect positive correlation and perfect negative correlation. Let us see what is perfect positive correlation. If a change in the value of one variable leads to a same proportion and same direction of change in the other variable, it is called perfect positive correlation. For example, if 10% rise in price of a product results in 10% rise in its supply, it is perfect positive correlation. Similarly, if 5% fall in price results in a 5% fall in supply, it is perfect positive correlation. Then, what is perfect negative correlation? If a change in the value of one variable results in same proportion of change in the opposite direction on the other variable, it is called perfect negative correlation. For example, 10% rise in price results in 10% fall in demand. Similarly, 5% fall in price results in 5% rise in demand. These are the cases of perfect negative correlation. Then let us see what is limited degree of correlation. If a change in the value of one variable leads to a disproportionate change in the other variable, it is called limited degree of correlation. Here, the change may be taken place in the same or opposite directions. The limited degree of correlation may be of different forms such as high degree, moderate degree, or low degree of correlation. Based on direction of change, limited degree of correlation may be of two types. They are limited degree of positive correlation and limited degree of negative correlation. Let us see what is limited degree of positive correlation. When a change in the value of one variable leads to a disproportionate change in the other variable in the same direction, it is called limited degree of positive correlation. If an increase in one variable results a disproportionate increase in the other variable, then we may say that there is limited degree of positive correlation. Similarly, if a decrease in one variable leads to a disproportionate decrease in the other related variable, there is limited degree of positive correlation. Okay, then what is limited degree of negative correlation? When a change in the value of one variable results in a disproportionate change in the other variable in the opposite direction, it is called limited degree of negative correlation. If an increase in one variable leads to a disproportionate decrease in the other variable, then there is limited degree of negative correlation. Similarly, if a decrease in one variable leads to a disproportionate increase in the other variable, there is limited degree of negative correlation. Okay, then what is zero degree correlation? If a change in the value of one variable does not lead to any change in the value of the other variable, then the degree of correlation between variables may be termed as nil or zero. Zero degree correlation is also called as zero correlation or no correlation. Students, today we wind up the class 4.2 here. Prepare notes and study well. Thank you.